Our kind members of the vlog, and welcome back to another video of Broke Boy Customs. Today we're gonna get a bit productive on my off day. We will be cleaning up the 1.4 engine, and I'll also be giving you guys the specs about the engine, the capacity, future plans, all that type of good stuff. If you guys are enjoying the content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So with regard to the engine, I've already started with moving the water pump. You guys can see it here. I was just in the process of removing the tubing off that. We're gonna get that cleaned up and resprayed, as well as the pulley, and pretty much the exact same with the engine. We're gonna be cleaning it up. I've removed majority of the stuff around the engine. I just do need to remove this, and yeah, we'll be masking up the engine. I don't want to remove the head from the block. Long story short regarding that, because I will be sending this entire engine in. This is just for my preference. I would like the engine to be as clean as possible. Also, I'm trying to prevent it from sending it in and then doing all of this when the engine comes back, because I don't want to be meddling with something that's just been fixed, or it's just been upgraded, whatever you want to say. Yeah, I don't want to meddle with the engine when it comes back from the engineers, so we might as well get all of this tedious stuff out of the way before we send it through. So yeah, I'm just going to clean it up real quick. Got the hose pipe connected right here, but to just give it a quick rinse off, wipe it down, get all this muck and old oil off of it, and yeah, then we'll move over to prepping it up, masking up the certain areas, and getting it ready to respray. Let's go. Okay, so now that we got the 1.4 engine cleaned up, we will be moving over to the water pump assembly right here. So I'm just going to continue with taking the pipes off. Once the pipes are off, we're just going to get that cleaned up and prep it to respray, as well as the pulley. So yeah, let's get it. I know you guys are probably thinking, no, but why did you cut the pipes? You weren't supposed to cut the pipes.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Breathe. It's cool. We'll be replacing those pipes, because I'm not gonna lie to you. I want to show you guys something. You guys see this? Do I see this part here? This clip here? This is what you call a pane.
Okay.
And by the way, all that dirt is coming out of there. So yeah, let's get that cleaned up. We keep these pipes as samples, so that next time we go to the parts store, we know we need to get some piping. Right, let's get that bad boy cleaned up. Okay, now that we've just finished up with the assembly, so you guys can see, I cleaned it up the best I could. Got that cleaned up as well as the pulley itself. We're just gonna let this dry right now, and while that's drying I will give you guys the specs on the engine that we bought a few months back. So yeah, let's get to it. Right, so information about the 1.4 velocity engine. This obviously, as I've mentioned, is a 1.4 fuel injection engine. Fuel economy on this engine uses 7.7 liters per 100 kilometers. So for daily purposes, you won't be having
what? Yeah, bruh, the petrol light comes on all the time. I know my car will make it. We can even drive from here to maybe Pretoria. Don't stress, guy.
that issue. So yeah, this engine does 0 to 100 in 10.8 seconds, and the maximum power output of this engine is 62 kilometers. So keep that number in mind, because once we're done with this engine, the car will be going on a dyno. So let me know in the comments what you guys think I'm about to do to this engine. Are we doing head work or are we doing block work? You let me know. So yeah, this engine also has a top speed of 180 kilometers per hour. So if I do need to get anywhere in a hurry,
There's a lot going on here.
that's some good stuff. So yeah, as I said, this will be the engine for Jenny from the block. Yeah,